How to lock your Shopify store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to lock your Shopify store in just a few easy steps. Whether you're preparing for a big update or just need to restrict access temporarily, locking your store is quick and simple. Let's get into it. First things first, head over to your Shopify admin by going to your store's admin URL. That's your store URL, myshopify.com admin. Enter your login details and sign in. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Online Store. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This is where you can control your store's visibility. Now scroll down until you see Password Protection. Toggle the switch to Enable Password. This is what locks your store. Next, enter a *password* that visitors will need to access your store. Make sure it's something secure but easy for you to remember. You can also add a custom message here that your visitors will see when they try to access your store. This is totally optional, but it's a nice touch to let your customers know what's going on. Finally, make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page. Your store is now locked, and only those with the password can enter. And there you have it. Your Shopify store is now locked. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.